Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of printers, and we've got something special for you: the Brother Monochrome Laser All-in-One MFCL2710DW value version. Let me start off by saying, if you're in the market for the best all-in-one mono laser printer, look no further. The Brother MFCL2710DW is here to revolutionize your printing experience. Let's talk about efficiency. This printer is engineered for maximum productivity with lightning-fast print speeds of up to 32 pages per minute. Say goodbye to waiting around for your documents to print with the MFCL2710DW. You'll be printing more and waiting less. And speaking of efficiency, the 250-sheet paper capacity means less time spent refilling the tray and more time focusing on your work. Whether you're printing letters, legal documents, or envelopes, this printer has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The manual feed slot offers flexible paper handling for a variety of papers and sizes, including cardstock and envelopes. Say goodbye to those frustrating paper jams and hello to professional-looking documents every time. Now, let's talk about productivity. The 50-sheet automatic document feeder makes scanning, copying, and faxing a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious, manual scanning of multi-page documents. The MFCL2710DW has got your back. And let's not forget about connectivity. Printing is as mobile as you are with wireless printing capabilities from your desktop, laptop, smartphone, or tablet. Whether you're in the office or on the go, printing has never been easier. So there you have it, folks. The Brother Monochrome Laser All-in-One MFCL2710DW value version, the best all-in-one mono laser printer on the market. Say goodbye to slow printing, frustrating paper jams, and unreliable connectivity. Upgrade to the MFCL2710DW and experience printing like never before. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Until next time, happy printing!